How to do velocity on Capcut. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can do velocity on Capcut. So let's dive in. First, open your Capcut app and here choose any project that you want to work on, and then you have to just select the video, and here you have this option of style. Choose this option and now it's going to bring you to this menu. In this menu, choose velocity. And here you can see that these are some options for velocity that I have, and now I can choose any over here. I'm going to go with this fade blur or blur shake. You simply have to tap on the effect that you want and then it's going to just start applying it. Let's wait for it to be applied. So here you can see that the style has been applied now, and that's the process that you can follow to do so. Just like that, you can do velocity on Capcut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.